Thank you for choosing Synapse's Revolution notification software. Whether you're evaluating Revolution or you've already chosen Revolution as your notification engine, we'd like to provide you with a brief video that outlines the basic, minimum installation and configuration requirements to help your organization get Revolution up and running. Please note, more advanced networks may require additional configuration depending on the type of systems your organization needs to integrate with Revolution. To get started, review the Systems Requirements topic in the Revolution Admin Guide. Make sure your Windows server is current on all updates. Installation must be on a local server and the installation path cannot be changed. Download the Revolution software from Synapse's website. Have your installation package handy, which includes your account and authentication IDs provided by Synapse Sales. Install the Revolution software on your local Windows server or virtual machine. Customers commonly use Revolution to unify disparate IP communication systems and provide a flexible, secure way to activate notifications. If you plan to integrate IP devices such as IP speakers, GPIOs, sensors, or paging relays, you'll need to configure your DHCP server to support auto-discovery so they automatically register with Revolution. If you plan to integrate your phone system, you'll need to configure your Communications Manager and Revolution's phone system notifier so that supported IP phones can register with Revolution. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to configure phone systems with Revolution to receive and activate notifications using IP phones. Please note, configuring different systems follows a similar process, but the requirements vary depending on the phone manufacturer and version. To send notifications to IP phones, you'll need to configure your permissions and authentications for your phone system after configuring your DHCP server. If you plan to activate notifications using IP phones, you'll need to configure a SIP trunk and SIP lines in your phone system so that calls can be routed to Revolution. Now select Notifiers from Revolution's navigation bar. Select your phone system from the list and click New. Fill out the required fields and authentication credentials as defined in your phone system and click Save. Supported phones will automatically populate as new endpoints after a refresh cycle and can then be assigned to receive notifications. Many customers also want the ability to activate Revolution's notifications by dialing a line number from a phone on their network. To do so, you'll need to set up triggers in the activator service from Revolution's navigation bar. Click SIP and then click New SIP line. Enter a descriptive name, a line number from the SIP line range you set up in your phone's Communications Manager, and click Save. Repeat the process to create as many SIP lines as you need within your defined range. SIP lines can now be assigned to notifications as triggers. When a user dials the line number, the notification is activated. Now you're ready to create a notification and test your phone system with Revolution.
Would a custodian please report to the main lobby?
Revolution integrates with many systems and services. Setting up each system follows a similar installation and configuration process. However, the process and requirements may vary depending on the device manufacturer. Here's a recap for the basic steps. Configure your DHCP server to automatically register IP devices with Revolution. Configure your notifiers to register supported devices with Revolution. Configure your activators and triggers to initiate notifications from supported endpoints. Create and send test notifications. Now that you have a general understanding of how to integrate disparate systems with Revolution, here's a look at how Revolution's notification engine works. Revolution powers effective communication in just a few simple steps. It begins when a trigger action or event occurs, sparking its designated activator, which are the physical systems or services connected to Revolution. They operate as individual modules, or in technical terms, microservices, that run idle in the background until a trigger occurs, which subsequently ignites Revolution's notification engine to carry out the communication process. Revolution sends the notification to its notifiers, which are the integrated systems designated to receive and parse notification commands before delivering the notification to their final destination endpoints. As you can see, the activators and notifiers may change, but the process remains the same, keeping it simple and easy to manage for customers.